Ever wondered how websites get to the top of your search results? The secret lies in a crucial digital marketing strategy known as search engine optimization, more commonly referred to as SEO. SEO is the practice of enhancing a website to make it more appealing to search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. The ultimate goal? To increase visibility, attract more visitors, and ultimately boost conversions. Now you might ask, how does one optimize a website? It's not as complex as it sounds. SEO encompasses a variety of techniques, broken down into three main categories: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO is all about your website's content. It involves creating high-quality, relevant content that includes keywords your target audience is likely to use when searching for products or services like yours. Make no mistake, keyword stuffing is a big no-no. The key is to incorporate these keywords naturally into your content, focusing on providing value to your visitors. Next, off-page SEO. This isn't about what's on your website, but rather what happens elsewhere on the internet. It involves strategies to build your website's reputation and authority. This could mean earning backlinks from other reputable websites, garnering positive reviews, or gaining social media shares. Remember, search engines look favorably on websites that are well regarded by others. And lastly, technical SEO. This refers to the behind-the-scenes elements that make your website work well, like a well-structured sitemap, mobile-friendly design, and fast loading times. A well-oiled website not only provides a better user experience, but also makes it easier for search engines to crawl and index your site. Now you might think, well, I've optimized my website, I'm done. But SEO isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process. Search engine algorithms constantly change, and your website needs to adapt to remain competitive. Regularly tracking your website's performance and making necessary adjustments is a must. So to sum up, SEO is a multifaceted strategy involving on-page, off-page, and technical components. It's about creating a website that's not just attractive to search engines, but also provides value to its visitors. A well-optimized website can increase visibility, attract more traffic, and ultimately boost conversions. No doubt SEO can seem daunting, but with a clear understanding of its elements, a strategic approach, and a little patience, you can make your website stand out in the vast digital landscape. Remember, it's not just about reaching the top of the search results, but staying there. So next time you marvel at how a website appears at the top of your search results, you'll know the secret, the power of SEO.